Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Selector. Today we're going to show you how to replace the Overfill Actuator Arm on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The Overfill Actuator Arm is part of the dishwasher's float assembly. The float raises and lowers with the water level of the dishwasher. The float triggers the float switch to prevent the dishwasher from overfilling with water. If the float assembly fails, the dishwasher may not properly sense the water level inside the dishwasher, which can cause the dishwasher not to fill with water properly. If you need a new Overfill Actuator Arm for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsselector.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, we'll need to remove the access panel, which is held in place by these two retainers. The retainers are locked when they are oriented vertically. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn them a quarter turn to the left, releasing the locking mechanism. Now gently pull forward on the panel to remove the retainer. Pull the access panel forward gently, being careful not to rip the insulation. The Overfill Actuator Arm is located here in the float housing. To remove, pinch the locking tabs on the right housing door together and swing it open. Then, lift the actuator arm up and down. If you need to purchase a new Overfill Actuator Arm, you can check out our website, partsselector.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the actuator arm to the prongs on the float housing so that the shorter end touches the switch and set in place. Then, close the housing door. Now, insert the access panel at an angle. Then, align the notches on the access panel to the slots on the frame and press into place. Align the access panel retainers to the notches on the access panel so that they are oriented horizontally in the unlocked position. Finally, turn them to the right so that they are orientated vertically, securing the access panel in place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.